Shopify is a comprehensive and very well built solution which is fast becoming the industry standard. Everyone knows how to use Shopify. There's a big community around it developing apps, developing themes and consultants that you can help you build your site. If someone is building an app, they'll build it for Shopify first. It's very, very easy to set up and very easy to use. It has an intuitive interface. Here's a quick look at the back end of Shopify. Here we have left-hand menu, which has things like orders, products, the setup of your channels. Here you've got analytics, which shows how your store's doing, list your customers. It's all very well organized. In settings, we have settings for things like payments, the setup of the checkout, shipping and delivery, taxes. All the things that you need to set up your store are available in the back end of Shopify. There's a lot of themes available for the store which have been pre-made. A lot of them are free. They're easy to configure. You just need to go in and set a logo and set colors and add images. Here you can set your own navigation. You can add pages. You can have blog posts. It's a very, very easy way of assigning a domain to a store. The Shopify system is fast. It's a very fast score there. You don't have to worry about hosting it. All the hosting is done by Shopify. So you just need to sign up for a Shopify account, and then pretty much everything you need to do a store is there available for you. If you are a small store owner, then you really don't need anything else. Another reason to use Shopify is the plugins. Now, Shopify can be extended by plugins that other people have written. So for example, you can, if you want to sell on eBay, you can use the eBay plugin to take your Shopify data and publish it on eBay or Amazon or lots of other different marketing channels. You can run your entire e-commerce business through Shopify. So there's a plugin which will allow you to manage your warehouse. There's a plugin which will allow you to manage your dispatch. And you can really, it's a whole ecosystem of apps that can extend your functionality. And Shopify is not just an e-commerce website, it's an e-commerce hub. Shopify has something called ShopPay, which is a built-in payment solution, which works very well. It enables customers to save their information on ShopPay, which means they can use it between different Shopify stores without having to enter their details again. The rates are reasonably good. Finally, you can add other payment options alongside ShopPay, for example, PayPal or Stripe or Amazon Pay. So in summary, Shopify is a very easy to use, very flexible, very extendable system. It's also very good value for money. It starts at around $30 a month and it's very easy to use, set up and maintain. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.